If you're aiming to build wealth, you know that it requires strategy and effort. These 15 financial rules can help you grow your wealth more quickly and effectively. Follow these steps to potentially double or even triple your money. Let's dive in. Rule number 1. Diversify your income sources. Relying on a single income source can be risky. Adding multiple income streams improves financial stability and reduces reliance on one paycheck. Look into options like part-time work, freelance projects, or creating passive income through renting property. Assess your skills to find other earning avenues, making your income more secure. Rule number 2. Track and control your spending. Budgeting is essential to building wealth. Track your spending to identify unnecessary expenses. Redirect these funds toward your savings or investments to increase your wealth-building potential over time. Rule number 3. Create a financial safety cushion. Building an emergency fund gives you a safety net for unexpected situations like job loss or sudden medical bills. Aim to save enough to cover 3 to 6 months of expenses. Set aside a percentage of your income each month for this purpose and keep it in a separate high-interest account, so it's available when needed and is growing passively. Rule number 4. Set clear financial goals. Having specific financial goals keeps you motivated and on track. Define both short and long-term financial objectives, whether it's paying off debt, saving for a home, or preparing for retirement. Regularly review your progress and adjust as needed. Rule number 5. Invest wisely. Investing is a powerful tool to grow your wealth. It helps protect your money from inflation and builds capital over time. Consider exploring different investment options like stocks, bonds, real estate, or mutual funds. Start small, gradually increasing your investments as you gain experience and knowledge. Understanding investing basics helps minimize risks and maximizes returns. Rule number 6. Minimize debt. Debt can be a significant barrier to wealth accumulation. Focus on paying off high-interest debt as soon as possible and avoid accumulating unnecessary debt. Set up a plan to reduce what you owe and avoid credit cards or loans for non-essential purchases. Rule number 7. Increase your financial knowledge. Knowledge is a key asset in wealth building. Make time to learn about finance, investing, taxes, and budgeting. Consider reading financial books, taking online courses, or following reputable financial blogs and channels. The more you know, the better your financial decisions will be. Rule number 8. Automate savings and investments. One of the easiest ways to build wealth is to make saving and investing automatic. Set up automatic transfers to your savings or investment accounts each month. Automating these steps ensures you're consistently building wealth without extra effort. Rule number 9. Build a strong credit score. A good credit score can save you thousands of dollars over your lifetime. A high credit score helps you secure better interest rates on loans and credit cards. Pay bills on time, keep credit utilization low, and check your credit report regularly to stay in good standing. Rule number 10. Network and seek mentorship. Networking and finding a mentor can open doors to new income opportunities and provide guidance on wealth-building strategies. Connecting with financially knowledgeable people can expose you to investment opportunities, side hustles, and even career advancements. Rule number 11. Live below your means. Living below your means doesn't mean deprivation. It means spending wisely and saving more. Adopt a lifestyle that supports your financial goals, focusing on essentials and cutting out the rest. This habit will accelerate your savings and investment growth. Rule number 12. Regularly review and adjust your financial plan. Financial markets and personal circumstances change, so regularly reviewing your financial plan is essential. Make adjustments based on your income, expenses, and investment performance to keep you on track to meet your goals. Rule number 13. Take advantage of tax breaks. Many tax benefits are available to help you keep more of your income. Look into options like retirement savings accounts, tax-efficient investments, and deductions. Knowing tax laws and planning ahead can boost your savings significantly. Rule number 14. Protect your assets. As you build wealth, it's crucial to protect it. Consider insurance policies for health, home, and property, and make a plan for wealth transfer through wills or trusts. Protecting your assets helps ensure your financial security and that of your loved ones. Rule number 15. Develop patience and consistency. Wealth building is a marathon, not a sprint. The most successful investors stay patient, especially in the face of market ups and downs. Consistency in savings and investments, along with patience, will pay off in the long term. Your financial future is in your hands. With these 15 principles, you can set yourself on the path to financial success. Remember, it's the daily habits and disciplined actions that make the difference. If you're interested in more finance tips, check out our channel for more videos on investments, cryptocurrencies, and income-building strategies. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.